Understanding sensitivity to light. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, sensitivity to light. It's a term you might encounter in everyday conversations, medical discussions, or when reading about health and wellness. So, grab your notebook, and let's dive into the fascinating world of language together. Sensitivity to light, also known as photophobia, is a condition where bright lights hurt your eyes more than usual. It can be a symptom of various conditions, affecting people of all ages. Imagine walking into a brightly lit room and feeling like you need to squint or close your eyes because the light feels too strong. That's what this sensitivity is all about. There are many reasons someone might experience sensitivity to light. It can be due to a minor issue, like being tired or having dry eyes. However, it can also indicate more serious conditions such as infections, inflammation, or neurological disorders. Knowing the cause is important for understanding how to manage or treat it. Discussing health issues can be challenging, especially in a new language. When talking about sensitivity to light, you can say, "I'm sensitive to bright lights. Bright lights make my eyes hurt. I need to wear sunglasses indoors because my eyes are sensitive to light." These phrases can help you communicate your experiences or understand when someone else is describing their symptoms. For those experiencing this condition, there are ways to manage it. Wearing sunglasses when outside or in bright environments can help. Using dimmer switches on lights at home allows you to control the brightness. If it's due to an underlying condition, consulting a healthcare provider is crucial for proper advice and treatment. Thank you for joining us today to learn about sensitivity to light. We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also how it can be discussed and managed in English. Remember, learning a language is about understanding the nuances of its vocabulary, especially when it relates to expressing feelings or health conditions. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.